Hello and welcome to AI-TestHive. This is Gaurav Sharma. 2024 was the year of AI. So is 2025. Well, I would say in much faster pace. Now, are you implementing or planning to implement any AI-driven solution in your project or in your organization? Then this video is for you. You need to ask this question to yourself. Is your organization data is AI ready? It is very important before you invest your effort and money to implement any AI solution. So you heard it right. Perhaps this is the topic I would like to discuss today. So AI-driven solutions, which are emerging almost every day, looks like there is a tsunami of AI models, large language model or small language models. Every day, night, you see there's a new model coming up. So it's very difficult for me, at least for some of us, to cope up with whatever the models are coming. Now, please take a pause because implementing an AI solution or AI agent in that matter are very costly affairs. So it's worth thinking twice, planning well, analyzing before you go ahead and implement or decide to implement any AI powered solution. Let's do a quick introduction to AI and data readiness. Now, we need to have a data readiness before we start implementing any AI solution. That's one thing. Now you understand that all the AI models, they run on data. Data is one of the most important input to any AI system for generating out. Okay, so now all AI models are trained on data called training data. So any input given to any AI model, based on their training data, model is going to provide the output. Now data can be used from history, which can be real data, or it can be generated, which is called synthetic data. So as we all are hearing that there is not too much data provided or available to train the AI models, then the companies or the organizations, they are producing synthetic data. I will do a separate video on synthetic data and its use cases, but here let's talk about the AI readiness. Well, as you can see, introduction to data readiness, we have all the LLM models, we have all the foundational models like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity. Now, all these models have been trained on the training data. So what is the basic AI ready data then? Ethical data to train the LLM model or any AI system like AI agents, data with quality, and integrity check. Now, data can be structured or unstructured. What is structured data? What is unstructured data? Let's talk about that. Okay, wait. Let's quickly go back. Now, structured data is something which can be displayed in rows, columns, which is in a format that comes under structured data. Unstructured data, images, videos, so that's emails, right? Audio files, those are the examples of unstructured data. As I mentioned, so any training data, they can be structured or unstructured. We are utilizing those to train the AI models. So by now, I hope you got some understanding and importance of data AI systems. Then let's understand what check need to be made before saying that your organization data is ready. Is your data ethical? Is your data reliable? Is data correct? Or is your data redundant? Is your data ready? Which means an AI ready, I mean. So what does those means? Now, AI data ethical ensuring data collections, storage, and uses compile with ethical guidelines. In terms of data reliability, verify the consistency and dependability of a data source to ensure trustworthy outcomes. In correct data, it has to be correct. It has to be on the based on the facts. Okay. Now, data redundant. Yeah, you don't want a redundant data in your systems. That's gonna cost you more. That's gonna give you hallucination. That's gonna give you all kind of problems. In data readiness, you need to ensure your data is pre-processed, cleaned, formatted to meet the requirement of AI and machine learning model. So in one liner, if I can tell you, you need to massage your data a lot before you feed into the training model. Okay. Now let's go to the three phases. Once you get your data ready, which is your ethical data or your AI data is ready, then you can train the LLM pre-training uh, with your data, and then data with an integrity and quality for Gen AI models can be fed into AI agents. Let's talk about the impact of the bad quality of data in LLM or AI models. Wow, that can be a lot of consequences. Now, after all this, if you're still thinking that how critical is this, how are the impact of not having, oh sorry, what are the impact of not having AI ready data? Well, if you do not focus on the data quality and AI readiness, then your system will be generated inaccurate. Sometimes biased decisions, sometimes hallucination, or sometimes unethical. Let's take an example. A quick example of pizza and glue problem. We all know this. It's all over the place, right? It's all over the place. Now, why this happened? Because the data was not correct, because the data fed into the AI model was not messaged well, was is not AI ready. So somewhere LLM model picked up pizza and glued together. Well, glue can stick. Pizza has a problem. They tied it together. So the data was not labeled that pizza and glue never go together. Okay. So can we ever trust AI without questions? Well, that is still a question. Now let's get to the conclusion and the next steps. Data is the key to unlocking AI potential, but ensuring data readiness sets your organizations up for success. So always make sure AI technology runs on data, rather quality data. So this is the question we still have to ask. Thank you for watching AI test. Can be displayed in a rows, or it may be like, for example,